Hello everyone, today I will show you how to automatically import with Blue Prism an Excel file within a collection as initial value. So here we have the Excel file. I will try to put inside a collection, so we can see over here that the first row will be our headers, and the rest of the data will be the data inside the collection. So over here I have got two things. I've got I created an object named Blue Prism, which has several actions. In the attach, I have a window title that I give as parameter, as input from each action, and it is attached to Blue Prism. We got a select field tab, navigate to the initial value tab, add a collection field, and so on. In my process, that is over here, save Excel to initial value. Over here, you only need to fill in two things. One is a file location, two is a process name. The process name is a name from your process where you want the initial value be placed. For example, over here, I will try it with download pictures. And this is the Excel file I will try to import. So countries, the file over here I just recently showed. So we will open up the process over here, and we will download the process download pictures. Over here, it's just a sample project. I will try. Okay, so I will add a new collection, and I will open the property box. Over here, we can see that the collection is empty. We would like to have all the initial values stored in this collection, and let's run the bot and let's see how it goes. For the moment, all the data types will be text. In the future will be maybe updated, but for the moment it will be only text. So we keep this window collection properties open, and we can let it run. So don't forget over here to change the process name if you have another process running. So over here we can see download pictures. So we will put download pictures as process name. We will put the thing at maximum speed, and we will run the bot. Okay, over here you can see it already added all those fields. And now it's inserting all the data coming from the Excel file into the initial values rows. So over here we got an Excel file with approximately 260 rows, and it will complete normally everything within 1 minute, 1 minute 30. And there's you can gain a lot of time with it. So we will let it run for a second, and then I will explain step by step how the bot is going to work. Okay, the bot has finished. As we can see, he has already closed also the pop-up. As we can see over here, we have a collection with all the names in it as text field type, like I said, and we can find everything what was inside the Excel sheet. So now you can use it whenever you want. So over here, what do we have? This over here will create the Excel sheet. Then We will count the columns. Then we will select the tab select field. So we will over here when you open the this collection properties, we will select the field option, and then we will see how much rows it is. We will start and we will read the first row of the Excel, but there is one particular thing, is when I do get worksheet as collection, I do it with an offset. I say we don't use headers, but we will start as A1. But he will use the first row as header in the code. So that's what I'm doing over here. We will use the first row as headers. And then we will go further to select the initial value tab and then count how many rows there are in the Excel sheet, and then we will start at row 1. We can see over here that the default value is should be 1. No, that's the row count, and the row counter over here is 1. Excuse me. We can see over here, because row 0 will be the first row. So when we're over here, we will go along with all the code and insert all the values one by one. And then we will press at the end OK. I hope this will help you a lot with your work. Don't hesitate to ask me questions if there are any. Thanks for watching.